welcome back to Easily Explained, where today we will be talking about appositive and appositive phrases. So let's get started.
An appositive is a noun or a pronoun that's placed beside another noun or pronoun to identify or describe the main noun or pronoun. In the sentence, the painter Lily has painted over 35 paintings, the appositive Lily identifies the noun, the painter. In the sentence, those ones are expensive, the appositive ones identify the pronoun those. So remember that it can also be used to describe a pronoun. It doesn't have to be a noun. Now, it's time for you to practice identifying appositives. So, in each of the 3 sentences below, identify the appositive. Pause the video now and start on your practice. Alright, let's go over the answers. Number 1. Leah, my friend, got accepted into Harvard. The appositive in this case is it's my friend, since this describes Leah. Leah is the main noun, whereas my friend is the noun that is placed beside it to describe Leah. Number 2, my companion Jake worked on the project. In this case, the appositive is Jake because it describes the noun my companion. And lastly, we have her teacher, Mr. Franks, failed her. In the same way, Mr. Franks is the appositive because Mr. Franks describes the noun her teacher. Now, let's go over an appositive phrase. An appositive phrase consists of an appositive and any modifiers that it has. So now that you know how to identify an appositive, it should be very easy to identify an appositive phrase because it's just first identifying the appositive, and then you just have to know if it has any modifiers, and you just need to include that in your appositive phrase. For instance, we have the same example that we had in the practice about Leah, my friend, except we added some stuff after my friend, and we identified the appositive as my friend. So now we just have to identify any modifiers. The words from kindergarten modify my friend because they describe her. They describe since when has she been my friend. So our appositive phrase in this case is my friend from kindergarten. Let's do another practice problem. In the sentence below, biology, the study of life, interests me. First, identify the appositive and the word that it's modifying, or the word that it's describing, I should say, and then identify the entire appositive phrase, including any modifiers. Alright, so we have biology, the study of life, interests me. Okay, so we know that the study is the appositive. It's describing biology. And including modifiers with our entire appositive phrase is just the study of life. Now you are ready for your practice. So identify the appositive phrase in these sentences down below. Pause the video now and complete the practice. Alright, let's start with number 1. We have Lynn, a courtroom journalist, reported on the case. In this case, we know our main noun is Lynn, And the appositive phrase is a courtroom journalist, since that is modifying Lynn. And since it's a compound noun, we can think of it as both an appositive and an appositive phrase because there's no other modifier in the sentence. Number 2. Joy, a girl from my old school, was given an award. So we know that our main noun is right here. The appositive would just be a girl, since it modifies the main noun. But if we talk about an entire appositive phrase, we include the modifier as well. So it'd be a girl from my old school would be the appositive phrase in this case. And then we have my friend from student council, Mary, has published an article in a local newspaper. So we know that Mary is our main noun. And if we were just talking about an appositive, it would just be my friend, since that's enough to correctly identify Mary. But since we're talking about modifiers, it would be this entire phrase, my friend from student council. Congratulations, you are now an expert at appositive and appositive phrases. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share with your friends. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye!